YouTube automation is making people rich, and in 2025, it's hands down the easiest way to build a passive income. But let's be real, most people fail because they waste time in oversaturated niches, struggle to get views, and have no idea what actually works. If that sounds like you, then pay close attention because this video might change everything. I've found a brand new niche called Point of View, and it's about to explode in 2025. Hardly anyone is doing it right, yet it has insane viral potential. And to prove how easy it is, I made a sample POV video in just 15 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from creating your channel, optimizing it for SEO, branding it in the most professional way, making viral videos using AI, and uploading them the right way so you actually get results. Let's jump in. We will simply start by creating a new channel. You can skip this part if you want to from the timestamps in the description, but I insist you watch because you will definitely learn something new. Creating a new channel is very easy. Just click on the profile logo at the top right corner, then click on Switch Accounts, and then view all channels. Simply click on Create a New Channel. That's how simple and easy it is. For the channel name, we will take help from ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT to provide us with two-word unique, easy and memorable YouTube channel names for our YouTube channel based on the POV niche, and simply hit enter. So here we have a list of the best YouTube channel names. By using one of these names, we can very easily create our YouTube channel in a matter of seconds. But we need a description so that our viewers and the algorithm can understand what type of videos we actually make. For that, we will again command GPT to write me an SEO-optimized YouTube channel description for my channel focused on the POV niche. The description should be rich in relevant keywords, clearly explain what my channel is about, and help the YouTube algorithm understand and rank my content. Make sure it's engaging, professional, and designed to attract my target audience while improving search visibility. Okay, so you don't have to worry, guys. I have listed all these prompts in a Google document, and I will leave the link to this document in the description. It has all the prompts that we will be using today. Okay, guys, so once we have our channel description, simply copy the description, head straight to YouTube Studio, click on Customization, and simply paste the description there in the description section. Now that your channel is all set, let's do its branding together because branding is what'll make people remember you. Before we start designing, listen to me carefully. This is the prompt for the channel logo. Once you provide this prompt to GPT, it will generate different logo descriptions, which you can then use to create your logo. But when it comes to the channel banner, I have 3 different prompts. The first prompt is for the background image of our banner. Moving on to the second prompt, it is for generating elements for our banner, like an ancient time machine, a wooden chamber, or other such elements. The final prompt for the banner is for creating our adventure-themed characters. We will generate all these materials and then arrange them in Canva. So let's copy and paste our logo prompt into GPT and simply hit enter. Once GPT provides you with different logo descriptions, simply copy one of them and open PicLumen, a free text-to-image generator. Click on Create. Paste your prompt into PicLumen, select the image model as PicLumen Art V1 for the best possible images, and change the image ratio to 1.1. That's it. Keep the remaining settings as they are and simply hit generate. In a few seconds, your logos will be ready. Guys, you can see the logos for yourself. Even many paid courses don't provide the value I'm giving away for free. So if you truly appreciate my content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, once the logo is designed, let's copy our first banner prompt and provide it to GPT. Hit enter. Again, we are creating each element of the banner separately so we can manually arrange everything correctly, ensuring it fits within the space assigned by YouTube. Once the prompts for background images are ready, simply copy one of them, head back to PicLumen, and paste the prompt. Keep the image model the same as before, but change the image ratio to 16.9 and generate your images. Simply download the images when they're ready and proceed to the second prompt for our banner. Provide that prompt to GPT and it will generate descriptions for the banner elements. elements. Follow the same process to generate images of those elements. Repeat this for the final prompt as well. Once all the material for the banner is ready, we can put everything together. Simply open Canva and look for the YouTube banner preset, then open it. Once you land on this interface, head to the upload section on the left side and upload all the materials we created earlier. First, place the background image on the design page and stretch it to cover the entire page so that it fully fills every corner. Pay attention, we need to adjust all our materials, like characters and other elements, within this area because YouTube displays this section to most users. That's why we created all the materials separately so we can adjust their sizes without issues. Now place the materials on the design page. Click on Remove Background, and Canva will automatically remove the background from the images. Reduce the size of the materials and position them properly within the assigned space. If any materials don't match the theme or look odd, you can generate multiple elements and characters using different prompts until you find the perfect ones. Finally, add a text box from the left bar and enter your channel name. Choose a bold, good-looking font for your text and change its color if needed. I prefer keeping it white. In the Effects section, you can add an outline to the text and adjust its thickness to make it look eye-catching. To place the text behind elements, right-click on the design page while selecting your channel name, go to Layers, and click on Send Backward. This will position your channel name behind the elements. At this point, our channel banner is ready. Click on Share, then Download, and once again, Download to export the banner to your computer. After that, head to YouTube Studio, go to the Customization tab, and upload your channel banner. As you can see, it fits perfectly within the space assigned by YouTube. After setting the banner, upload your channel logo and hit Publish. Here we go. Our fully SEO optimized and professionally branded channel is ready. You can now check the final appearance of the channel. It looks professional, unique, and attractive. Just like that, our channel creation is complete. Which takes us down to content creation. And for creating such amazing videos, we will be using my personal favorite AI tool named AI Cut. I have been using this AI tool since 4 months now, and more than 160,000 people use AI Cut regularly for content creation. Simply create an account in AI Cut, and after landing on this interface, there are many niches to get started with, but we will go with this POV niche. This niche has been added recently, and creating videos in this niche is very simple. There are 2 methods to make POV videos, and I will teach you both. The first method is very simple, where AI Cut generates a full video, and you just need to provide your video idea. So for that purpose, let's head back to GPT, and we will simply ask GPT, provide us with a list of the most viral and best performing video ideas for the POV niche that are psychologically driven and designed to maximize audience retention. Format them as highly engaging and clickable video titles that have the potential to go viral. Like this, ChatGPT will spit out the best performing video ideas. GPT looks up into web pages, online forums, and audience demographics to analyze what type of videos people are watching these days, and based on that information, it will provide you with top performing video ideas. So all you need to do is pick up a good video topic from here and simply paste that video topic in AI Cut. After that, you can select the duration of your video, up to 90 seconds, and you can also select the image model. There are 2 types of image models available, Standard and Pro. And then in Final, simply click on Generate Images, and AI Cut will start making our video. It will take anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes or up to 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Okay guys, once the scenes are ready, they will look something like this. Now, if you don't like any particular image, you can change it easily. You just need to write a prompt here, just like you write in any text-to-image software, and your image will be replaced. Or you can even upload your own images. After that, the second option, AI Video, if you turn this option on, your still scenes will turn into animated video clips, and you need to turn this option on for every single image. After that, the most interesting part, you can also add sound effects, and what's even better is that you can write a keyword related to your sound effect, and AI Cut will generate that sound effect for you, and it will be automatically applied to the clip. And in the same way, you can customize each and every single scene. After that, in Final, simply click on this option here to turn all your images into video clips. This step will take around 3 to 5 minutes, and your video will be fully ready to be rendered. And at last, simply click on Render Video, and your video will be rendered within 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can simply download the video. But there's one more thing you have to do. Simply open CapCut and import the downloaded video. Now guys, the video is fully ready, but it doesn't have background music. You need to add your own copyright-free background music, which you can very easily download for free from YouTube. And that's it. Our video is ready. Let's take a look at it. Guys, let me know how the video was in the comments. And this takes us to our second method of creating POV videos. In this method, we can customize each scene and story by ourselves. For that, simply head to GPT first, and then we will simply provide GPT our main prompt, which is generating a story in the form of scenes for our video. In the brackets, you just need to copy-paste your video topic, and that's it. Hit enter. So here we have all our scenes ready, and we just need to create our video now. Simply copy the first scene description and head back to AI Cut. And this time, select Start from Scratch option and click on this Add Scene icon. Simply paste the prompt here, and after that, simply click on Generate, and in a few seconds, your scene will be ready. After that, simply click on Add Scene, and your scene will be added. Then, simply click on Add Scene once again, and simply copy the second scene description and paste it in AI Cut, and repeat the same process for all scenes that GPT provided you. I will fast forward this process because it's all the same. Okay guys, so when all the scenes are ready, then the entire process is exactly the same as we did in the previous video generation. You just need to do basic settings, like turning the AI video option on for every scene and adding sound effects in each scene, and then simply create your video. After the video is ready, follow the same steps as before and add background music to the video. Let's take a look at the final video. Okay guys, so we will finally publish our video on YouTube with proper SEO so that the algorithm shows our video to a broader audience in the Shorts feed. For SEO, simply head to GPT and ask GPT to provide me with a complete SEO strategy for my YouTube video on this particular topic, including 5 catchy titles, relevant tags, optimized hashtags, and an SEO-focused description with keywords to help the algorithm understand my topic and target audience, boosting reach and rankings. You just need to paste the video topic in the brackets, and that's it. GPT will do proper SEO for your video. Then, you just need to copy all the details from GPT and paste them in your video. Copy the title in the title section, hashtags in the description, and also add tags in the tags section of your video. Select the category as entertainment, and that's it. We have successfully SEO optimized our video. When it comes to the uploading time, I always recommend you to upload your video when most of the people are online on YouTube. After jobs and studies, most of the people are active on YouTube between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. And just like this, we have finished the job.